We've created custom user types so you can create your own categories of visitors and users and create custom labeled sign-in buttons on the VisiPoint tablet or kiosk. With custom user types, you can change the buttons on the screen to whatever you need. When creating a custom user type, you must also assign them a destination and a location. All systems are set up with the default destination and default location. If you only have one device, entry point, or building, you can go ahead and set default destination and default location. There's no need for any additional destinations or locations to be set up. If you have more than one entry point or building, you'll be in one of three scenarios. You want all your devices to display the same sign-in buttons, which means that there's no need for new destinations or locations to be set up. Perhaps you want to change the sign-in buttons on one or more of your devices. Again, there's no need to set up new destinations or locations. In the final scenario, you may want to give users entry to particular facilities or have more granular reporting on access to certain facilities. In this case, you will need to set up new destinations and locations. It's easiest if you do this before going to create your user types. It's not a problem if you create your user types first. You'll just need to remember to come back and apply your destinations and locations for the user type after. Each custom user type has a parent user type drawn from the default VisiPoint user types, which are staff, visitor, contractor, or delivery. The parent's user type restrictions will be passed on to your custom user type. For example, if you were to create a custom user type called volunteers that has staff as its parent user type, your volunteers will all require a unique email address. Here you can see the rules for default user types, the required fields for each user type that cannot be made non-mandatory. For staff, there's first name, last name, email, and section. For visitors and contractors, it's their first name, their last name, and their company. And for deliveries, it's just their name. To create a custom user type, follow this process. Select user types from the area settings on the bottom left-hand side of your navigation bar. When in the user type list, click Add New User Type. Give your user type a name, and then select the parent user type. Select a destination that this user type will visit. Expand the destination by using the arrow drop-down and check the tick boxes to give the user type access to all or certain locations within the destination. Default destination and location should be ticked if you have one device, or if you have multiple devices and want to add your new user type to your standard sign-in process. If you've created your own destinations and location, check the relevant boxes. Then save your user type. Once you've saved your user type, you'll need to edit your default kiosk layout or create a new kiosk layout so that your kiosk starts to display your sign-in button for that user type name.